Why is ILC breast cancer research focusing on targeted therapies? Imagine a puzzle with pieces that don't quite fit the usual picture. Invasive lobular carcinoma, or ILC, is a type of breast cancer that has unique features setting it apart from the more common invasive ductal carcinoma. Researchers are now focusing on targeted therapies because ILC's biology is different enough to requiring specialized treatment approaches. Unlike other breast cancers, ILC often has specific genetic changes, such as the loss of the CDH1 gene, which affects how cells stick together. It also frequently has mutations in genes like PIK3CA and ERB2. These genetic differences influence how the tumor grows, spreads, and responds to treatment, making standard therapies less effective for ILC patients. Because of these differences, scientists are exploring therapies that directly target these molecular pathways. For example, if a tumor has a mutation in the PIK3CA gene, drugs that inhibit the pi3 pathway might be more effective. This personalized approach helps avoid unnecessary treatments that might not work and reduces side effects. ILC also tends to resist some traditional treatments like chemotherapy, especially in advanced stages. Targeted therapies aim to overcome this resistance by attacking the specific mechanisms that keep the cancer alive. Another reason for this focus is the pattern of metastasis. ILC often spreads to unusual areas like the stomach or ovaries, and it tends to have lower survival rates after several years compared to other breast cancers. Developing therapies that address its unique biology could improve long-term outcomes. Historically, ILC has been underrepresented in clinical trials, which means we don't fully understand how it responds to different treatments. Now, more research is being directed specifically at ILC, with clinical trials testing new targeted drugs like CDK4/6 inhibitors, pi3 inhibitors, and immune therapies. These efforts aim to personalize treatment plans based on the tumor's genetic makeup, offering hope for better management of this distinct breast cancer subtype. In essence, the focus on targeted therapies for ILC is driven by its unique genetic profile, its resistance to standard treatments, and its different patterns of spread. By understanding and attacking the specific features of ILC, researchers hope to develop more effective, personalized options that can improve survival and quality of life for patients. Always remember, if you or someone you know is dealing with breast cancer, consulting with healthcare professionals is essential to determine the best treatment plan tailored to individual needs.